Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the system voice language on Mecha. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC or on your console and sign into your account, and you should get to this homepage. And then from here, use your mouse pointer icon or the controller pointer icon and select menu at the bottom right corner. And then from the options that appear, select settings. Now within the settings, select language. And then within the language settings, find the voice option. So if you like to change the system voice language, all you have to do is highlight the currently set language and select it. And then from the options that appear, choose the other language that you prefer. So for now, there are only 3 languages. There's Chinese, English, and Japanese. Choose the one that you prefer. And once you're done, you'll see this notification, voice change applied. And then once you're done, simply exit and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.